Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make sheet pan chicken fajitas. I don't know about you, but I love chicken fajitas, and this is one of the easiest ways to get them on the table. It's so quick and easy to do. You have to be sure to preheat your oven first because you are going to be done prepping and everything's going to be ready to go as soon as that oven is done preheating. Grab a 13 by 18 sheet pan and give it a light coating of nonstick cooking spray. We'll set that aside for a second, and then I'm gonna put together a homemade fajita seasoning blend. Listen, I know they have store-bought, but trust me on this, I have developed the best fajita seasoning blend you will ever find. You need 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, then 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and add a kick with 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Give that a stir and we'll set it aside. Then grab 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts and we're gonna slice them into nice little fajita strips. You just wanna make sure they're even, so about 1/4 inch thick and maybe 2 inches long. Now as you slice it, just add all of your chicken to a large mixing bowl. Then you're gonna also slice 1 red onion and then 3 different bell peppers. I like to use multicolor. They didn't have any green today, but red and yellow will do. Add that all to the mixing bowl right with your chicken and clean up your mess as you go. We'll add in 2 teaspoons of freshly minced garlic, our fajita seasoning mix, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Grab some tongs and we're gonna toss all of this together till everything is evenly coated. Then lay it all out onto your prepared baking sheet. If it's too much, you can also grab another sheet pan and spread it out even more. Then we are going to pop this in our 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes, and then we'll stir it and cook it a little bit more. Then once they're out of the oven, the trick to great fajitas, squeeze on a little lime juice right before serving. It gives that little pop of acid, citrusy flavor that you're just gonna love. Then warm up some tortillas. If you're gonna do any toppings, I always like to have a little sour cream. And then it's time to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.